Before lighting your Coleman Pro Series gas grill, ensure that you have done the following. Read and understand the user manual. Performed a leak test. Ensure the grill is assembled correctly. Position your grill in a well-ventilated area. A safe 3 feet, 0.91 meters from combustible materials, buildings, and overhangs. Now you are ready to light your grill. Let's get started. Always start by opening the lid. Next, check to make sure all control knobs and the LP cylinder shutoff valve are in the off position. Slowly, turn the LP cylinder shutoff valve counterclockwise to open and wait 30 seconds for pressure to stabilize. Select burner to be lit. Push in and turn the control knob to high position. Press the ignition button for 3 to 5 seconds until the burner lights successfully. You will hear a clicking sound. Repeat step 4 and 5 to light remaining burners. If ignition does not occur in 5 seconds, turn the control knob off and wait 5 minutes to allow gas to dissipate before repeating the lighting process again. If the igniter does not work, follow the manual or match lighting procedure to light your gas grill. For more troubleshooting and maintenance tips, contact us at 1-800-275-4617.